channel. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to code. So our question of the day is how to download and install the application and finally register with the promo code FIFAMP to benefit from a free 300% bonus on your first deposit. Without further ado, let's find us on Google, where you will only have to enter Betwinner APK in the search bar. Once the search has started, wait a few seconds. Then click on the first tab that will appear. You will be redirected to a new page where you will just have to click on the download button to your right and wait. Once the download is complete, let's now move on to the installation steps. Now let's see how to register on Betwinner with a promo code to benefit from 300% bonus on your first deposit. Let's then find ourselves on the Betwinner homepage. Once on this page, click on the registration button to start your registration. Then click on registration complete. You must always choose full registration so as not to miss the 300% bonus offered free of charge by Betwinner once you have registered. Enter all your personal information, namely your name, first names, email address, your telephone number. Fill in all empty fields. Then arrive at the Champs promo code level. Enter the promo code FIFAMP in very important capital letters to obtain the Betwinner bonus of up to $300. Don't forget to check the box to accept the general conditions of use of Betwinner. Validate your registration by clicking on the register button.